This in-cabin view showing at the bottom of your screen Sergei Prokopiev, the Soyuz commander, and at the top of your screen Dmitry Petelin, Frank Rubio on the right of Prokopiev out of the field of view here. We are now 50 seconds from launch.
Vehicle switch to internal power, first umbilical tower separation.
First umbilical should be retracting, and there it goes. The second umbilical will retract at about the T-minus 15 second mark. The second umbilical has retracted. This will initiate the auto sequence start. T-minus 10 seconds and counting. We have engine start.
Umbilical tower separation.
Turbo pumps coming up to flight speed.
Turbo pumps, flight speed,
and liftoff. A sunset start to the mission of Rubio, Prokopiev, and Petelin to the International Space Station.
10 seconds, flight is nominal.
Good first stage performance reported from the blockhouse at Baikonur, the Soyuz delivering 930,000 pounds of thrust from its 4 boosters and single engine.
L plus 20, L plus 20.
Arcing out to the northeast from the Baikonur Cosmodrome. 35 seconds into the flight. Everything looking good so far. Good roll, pitch, and yaw program. The vehicle reported structural stability is good.
Stable.
Approaching the 1 minute mark into the flight.
Crew is feeling well. Vehicle is nominal. Copy.
Velocity now about 1,100 miles per hour. Yaw, pitch, and roll program all reported to be nominal from the blockhouse at Baikonur.
Nominal. Vehicle is nominal. Crew is feeling well.
Prokopiev reporting the crew is feeling well. Coming up on the 1 minute 20 second mark into the flight. Now passing through the area of maximum dynamic pressure.
L plus 80 parameters are nominal.
One minute 35 seconds into the flight.
Pressure in Capero parameter is above nominal. Copy, casual parameter of nominal. Correct? Affirmative. There's that jettison confirmed.